Hello everyone, very welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelica. Today we're gonna decorate the kitchen. This will be part 2 of my Decorate With Me for Christmas this year, 2024, and I'm very excited. I already have a video up, part 1, that I decorate this room, the blue room, and also Elly's room. So if you haven't seen that, I will try to remember to link it down below and up in the cards, but otherwise you can just go to my channel. And yeah, as I said, it's gonna be the kitchen today. It's very exciting because I do love to decorate the kitchen, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start showing you guys how our kitchen looks before we start to decorate. So we have a few places here in this corner, for example. I'm gonna decorate this little corner here. The things I already have up is the things I had before and I need to have. And here we have 2 shelves, and I'm also gonna do a hot cocoa bar here. And here is also 2 shelves that we're gonna decorate. So I'm gonna start in this corner. This Santa mug, I really love him. I bought 2 of these this year. I already have a haul up if you want to see that, but I just put a little Christmas like tree in it, or it's more like a tree with pine cones, and I just did this bow. And here I have these. I don't know what they're called in English, but I just put them here because I wanted to have some height. And these small houses, I'm gonna show you this one and another one, I bought at our local grocery store. They also have like home decor, and I thought they looked so pretty, so I really need to buy them. But they are great in this corner. This glass container has garlic in it because, yeah, we do need to have garlic here. We need to store the garlic, but I just wanted to make it a little more festive, so I just took this dark red ribbon. This is in velvet, and I just made a little bow. Now it's time for the hot cocoa bar. So of course we need some candy canes. That is a must. We really love candy canes. Elly loves them. So of course we're gonna have that. This glass, I don't know what it is, container, kind of. I don't know. I had it from before, so I don't know. I didn't buy it this year, but I'm just gonna put them in this. By the way, this year's hot cocoa bar is not gonna be as big as my last year's, but here is some marshmallows. We also need some mini marshmallows, and we're gonna put them in this beautiful glass container that looks like a tree. This was new for this season, and I really love it. Broad and black with your pack, your queen, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. And here we have the Santa mug again. I'm just gonna fill this with some baking stuff, or I mean spoons and stuff in wood. because I do love how that looks, and some like pop of red. I put this like, I don't know, red berries. So here is the little place for the hot cocoa bar this year. It's not going to be, as I said, as big as I have done it years before, but I think it's enough actually. And here is some cocoa. I just put it in this little jar here that has a little spoon and a little ribbon. And then of course I need to bring out my Christmas mugs. This is new for this year. This is from H&M Home. I love Christmas mugs. I don't know how many I add each year. I have a lot of them now, but I just love to bring them out and use them when we're doing some hot cocoa or maybe just coffee. They bring me so much joy. And this is the little hot cocoa station. As I said, it's not as big as I usually do it, but this year I wanted to have it smaller. And now it's time for the top shelf. These wooden like trees I have DIY'd, so I have done them myself. I have 4 of these. And then I have these ceramic houses. These comes out year after year, I feel like, and I add also year after year more of these. And then I have this Norfolk greenery. I bought a lot of them this year actually. I have been into this kind of style now, and I bought from, I think, Amazon. Here is some more houses. I'm just gonna do like white, brown and green on these shelves and a little bit of a red, but yeah, I wanted to have it more neutral this year. And here we have a tray I bought from a dollar store. So I just flipped it so it looks like more like a cutting board, and I think it looks so pretty with like, it looks like a tree, and of course my trees are going here as well. I do love them. They are so cute, and I have some ceramic trees as well, so I just took this one out just to have a pop of white as well. And I just put a little ribbon on this cutting board. I just think it looks good with some red also, not just white, green and brown. Here I did a little arrangement. I don't know what this is called actually, but you can see what it is. And I put 3 small trees in it. So now it's time for these shelves. This one I think I got from IKEA and just put some greenery in it and a ribbon. And then of course the ceramic houses again. And this is an ornament. I just took out the thing you hang it in and just placed it here. And of course a pop of red, so I found these berries that looks like it has like ice or snow on them. And here is a mug that I thrifted, but I spray painted it white and just put a little tree in it, and also houses of course to tie in this. Here is a little Santa mug. I am obsessed with Santa mugs. So I have this small one and I have exactly the same, but in a bigger one you're gonna see soon. And of course we need some greenery. These pigs again, I really, really love them. So here is the bigger version of this Santa mug. He's so cute. I really love how the kitchen turned out on these shelves. I really love the colors this year, and yeah, I really love to switch it up. So now it's time for this little spot here in the kitchen, and you have to excuse the how it looks outside because we are doing some renovation, so it's we have things going on in the garden. But yeah, I'm gonna put this pot here and I'm gonna take a little ribbon, and again, these are the Norfolk's greenery. I really love how this looks. And also ceramic trees again. I really love the pop of white. Here is how this corner turned out. Here we have a wreath that I just put this ribbon on again. I bought a lot of ribbon this year, like red ribbon in velvet, and I think I used it all up actually, so it was a good purchase.
So here is the kitchen all done. This was super fun. I mean, it took this video, it's not long, but this took me a long time, many hours to do this, guys. But I really love how it turned out. I really love the kitchen this year. I mean, the kitchen is one of my favorite things to decorate, actually. So I just think it's so much fun, and I really love, as I said, how it turned out.
So I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more decorate videos. I also do makeup content here on my channel, and I also do fashion related videos. I will have videos up soon with some clothing hauls and for the festive season. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for part 3 and 4 in this series, me decorating here in our home for Christmas 2024. But I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever you're doing after this, and I see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.